So you decide it's finally time to get festive. You have completed the chore of getting your tree set up and in its perfect space, and now you can begin the fun part. You open the boxes that you store your decorations in, only to quickly be reminded that last year you took everything down in haste. You are now presented with a dilemma. Jump on an app and see what same-day delivery options there are 50 feet away. Or spend hours painstakingly untangling them, fighting every urge to pull out the scissors, go pour yourself a whiskey, and devour what's left of your edibles. Sound familiar? Then these briefs will activate you this holiday season. It's that time of year. Purchasing gifts for others when you really want to be buying all this shit for yourself. So there's no better way to start the shopping season than with a video tutorial of my Tangled Brief, now available at ogcreationstore.etsy.com. You can follow the link above. I start with a pair of 95% modal cotton, 5% spandex briefs. I rubber band small sections of cotton, creating random circles all over the fabric. I soak the briefs in a soda ash bath for 20 to 25 minutes, and then place them on dye racks for about 12 to 24 hours until practically dry. Using 4-ounce needle nose bottles that I purchased from Amazon, I slowly apply Dharma Trading Company's dark green liquid dye. I then apply colors of Dragonfruit, Scarlet, Cerulan, Kelly Green, and Bright Yellow in no particular pattern. I do allow for a few minutes between each color to try to negate any color blending. They are then set aside for 24 to 48 hours in a warmer space, somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees. They are rinsed thoroughly in cold water and then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. They are dried completely, ironed, inventoried, and shipped from my dye-covered hands to cover your hairy ass. What a fun outcome from such a colorful experiment. When you buy a pair, I'm sure whoever you show them off to will love the way the lights pulse over the bulging fabric. I hope you enjoy your holidays with your friends and loved ones. Go out, make colorful memories, and make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see created next.